Okay, in this video lecture we will see window air conditioner. So this is a picture of window air conditioner, and this part is the front panel is the evaporator. This is a compressor, and the rear side panel is condenser, and this is a motor or blower, and that is the fan which cools the condenser, and this is thermostat or control panel that maintains the temperature. So see, the refrigerant is here inside this evaporator coil, and this portion, this front panel is inside the room. So it extracts heat from the room and gets vaporized. The refrigerant gets vaporized, and then the vaporized form of refrigerant goes to the compressor, where the compressor rises its pressure, and then this refrigerant passes through this condenser. These are the tubings, condenser tubings, and it comes through this condenser and cools by this action of this fan by forced convection. So this okay, so this is the rear portion. This is, since this is a window air conditioner, so it is fitted on the wall, where this portion of front is inside the room, and this is outside the room. So after cooling the condenser, in the condenser, the liquid form of refrigerant again comes to this evaporator coil, and this continuous process happens here. So this in single unit or single box, these all things are arranged, so it is compact. And there is also one problem, that there are two conditions. This window air conditioner only used if there is place available in the wall to make the slot. Okay, if we have wall, and if there is a place to fit this window air conditioner, then only we can use it. And another thing is that there is a free space behind the wall for dissipating the heat and dripping water. Okay, in condenser needs open space, so it should be the rear side of the window air conditioner should be free from any congested area. There should not be congested area. So this area or rear area should be free. And this air conditioner, since the motor and blower and fan, everything are in single unit, and these are compact, so it makes noise, which is not desirable property. Now let's see what are the major units. Again, refrigeration system, control system, thermostat and selector switch, electrical protection system, that is to protect the motor from overload, and air circulation system, fan, motor, centrifugal, evaporator, blower and propeller fan for air cooled condenser, ventilation, fresh air damper, exhaust system. Okay, the refrigeration system also consists of the hermetic compressor. It consists of hermetically sealed compressor, forced air cooled finned condenser. Okay, the fan is situated behind, just behind the condenser. So forced air cooled finned condenser are used, and capillary tube as throttling device. Okay, capillary tube, and a refrigerant filter or dryer. Okay, the refrigerant is used is R12 or R22. Now let's see the capacity. The room air conditioners are designed to operate on 230 volts. Okay, single phase AC supply. Okay, single phase AC supply is there, and are available from 0.5 to 3 ton capacity. The capacity of this window air conditioner are 0.5 to 3 ton capacity, and these are single phase AC supply. 3 phase AC supply are for workshops and for lathe machines, etc., but these are for single phase AC supply. Okay, now let's see the maintenance. So we all know that dirt is the biggest enemy of window air conditioner. It can lower the efficiency of evaporator coil, block the operation of the fan, and blows out the cool air, closed filters and block drain ports. Okay, so the dirt particles that closes the filters, and that reduces the efficiency of air conditioner. So it is required to clean these filters regularly. Now let's see the split air conditioner. In split air conditioner, you can see that these require two motors, one for this condenser. Okay, so this condenser, the fan, these units are outside, and the inside units are the blower, the cooling coil, and the filter. Okay, so split air conditioners are usually used in places where window air conditioners cannot be installed. Okay, uh, so these days we often see the split air conditioners. So let's see the outdoor units. What are the outdoor units? Once again, the most important component of air conditioner, like compressor, condenser condenser coil, and the expansion coil or capillary tubing. This is unit is installed outside from the room space. Okay, the, the expansion coil or capillary tubing is also outdoor unit. So these units are installed outside the room space, which is to be cooled. The compressor is the maximum noise making part of the air conditioner. Since it is located outside, the major source of noise is eliminated. Okay, so the advantage of the split air conditioner is that we have no problem of noise problem has reduced. Now let's see what are the indoor units. It is the indoor unit that produces the cooling effect inside the room. Okay, we know that, and houses the evaporator coil, the cooling coil, a long blower, and filter. So these are the indoor unit: evaporator or cooling coil, long blower, and the filter. So in split air conditioner, we are using two motors, one for driving the condenser fan and one for driving evaporator fan, so or blower. So these are the two units which makes it costly, and of course there is a need for proper for copper tubing, so that is also required, so that increases the cost. But the advantage of split air conditioner is that it increases it reduces the noise level. You can see this is just a wall mounted split AC which comes with remote also, and manual operation is also available in this type of AC. Now let's see concealed duct split system. In these types of system, you can see that this is the figure of concealed duct split system. These are the ducts which are provided in some area. You can say that this is an office. Suppose this is office or hospital, or it can be any thing industrial, for industrial purpose. So this is a condenser where from here the refrigerant comes to the refrigerant cools the air through this duct and pass this through this duct. So from evaporator, this duct are providing the fresh and cool air, and this whole office can be air conditioned. Now this is a multi-split AC, in which you can see that multi-split AC connects a single outdoor unit to a number of indoor units. Okay, single outdoor unit is there. This is a condenser, compressor, and fan, etc. are here, single outdoor unit, and this is connected through this. You can say that this is a AC, this is another AC. These are all AC. So a single unit is here, outdoor unit is here, and rests are coming through these ducts, and these are the inside units. Now this is a cassette air conditioner. You can see that this is a cassette air conditioner, in which these are usually used on ceiling fans, ceilings to air condition the room. These all air conditioners maintains the temperature around 21-25 degrees Celsius, and humidity around 50%. So remember that. And wind velocity should be around 3 meter per second, 3 centimeter. Now let's see the Indian Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio, ISEER. So remember its full form. Indian seasonal energy efficiency ratio. So this Indian energy efficiency ratio is the ratio of the total annual amount of heat that the equipment can remove from the indoor air when operated for cooling in active mode to the total annual amount of energy consumed by the equipment during the same period. Or in simple way, you can understand that it is a ratio of total amount of heat that the equipment can extract or remove from the indoor yearly to the total amount of energy consumed by the equipment yearly. So it is the ratio of this ratio is called Indian seasonal energy efficiency ratio. It is also called star rating. Okay, so you have if you have a more star rating, then that is more energy efficient. This star rating shows the energy efficiency of your refrigerator. See, this is a BEE logo level. So this annual electricity consumption under standard condition, this is the amount of electricity your AC would consume if left running for a year. Electricity cost varies across the country. Multiply the units by the rate at which rate to arrive at your annual cost. And these are the model AC model showing here, and this is the BEE logo authenticity of the label. And this more energy star rating means the more star, the more efficient your refrigerator is. If you have a 5 star, then that is more efficient. If this is a 4 star, so it is a less efficient. Maintenance of AC can be done by the maintenance of filters. It can be the filters are oftenly closed with dirty particles, so it is required to clean it regularly. And replacing a dirty closed filter with a clean one can lower your air conditioner's energy consumption by 5 to 15%. Okay. Now let's discuss the car air and conditioning. Every detail is same as we have seen the split and window air conditioner. Everything is here in car and air conditioner. But in case of car air conditioner, you have to use more capacity of refrigerator, because more capacity window air conditioner, because in car you can see there are different types of load. Just like you can see that the cooling load in the car air conditioner depends upon outdoor temperature. Okay, outdoor temperature will be usually high in India, and humidity and air leakage into the conditioned space, the number of occupants inside the car, and quantity of fresh air taken in, and sun load. So these are the many factors which is causing increasing the load inside the car. So this car window air conditioner used in car is usually equivalent to the air conditioner which is required for the large room. So it is around, the capacity is around 1 to 4 tons. Cars air conditioner has capacity around 1 to 4 tons, but window air conditioner has around 0.5 to 3 tons. See, this is a basic component of car air conditioner. This front portion is where radiator is here, and this is called condenser. This radiator portion is, and the different component are here. This is a blower, and heater is also fitted here, and this is evaporator, expansion valve. So you can see that all components are same here. See, what are the more components here? The basic components are compressor, magnetic clutch, condenser. This magnetic clutch engages itself or disengages depend upon the load. So the third is condenser, fourth is receiver dryer, expansion valve, evaporator. And let's say the electrical component of car air conditioning unit are rheostat or 3-speed fan switch. Okay, rheostat or 3-speed fan switch, thermostat, magnetic clutch, fuse. So this rheostat allows full range of blower speeds from full, fast to slow. The rheostat controls the speed of fan. Okay. The purpose of thermostat is to control the evaporator temperature by cycling the electric clutch used on compressor. We know that the thermostat purpose is to control the temperature. Okay. Now let's say the magnetic clutch is used to engage and disengage the compressor. It is used to engage or disengage the compressor on demand from the thermostat inside the automobile. It operates on the principle of electromagnetism. Okay, so magnetic clutch usually engage or disengage the compressor depending on the load inside the automobile. If inside the car, if there is no cool air, then there may be chances of these are the possible chances that the loose or broken belt drive, inoperative compressor or sleeping compressor clutch, defective expansion valve, closed expansion valve, receiver dryer or liquid refrigerant line, blown fuse, leaking component, or if there is insufficient cool air. That above case was for no cool air and below is the for insufficient cool air. So insufficient cool air due to low refrigerant charge, loose drive belt, slipping compressor clutch, closed condenser, closed evaporator, slow leaking system, partially closed filter or expansion valve. So this closing problem can be solved by cleaning this condenser, evaporator or filter, dryer, expansion valve. Now let's see the effect of air conditioner on fuel economy. The loss of fuel economy can be of the order of 1 to 1.5 kilometer per liter due to the use of air conditioning unit. Okay, it is around 1 to 1.5 kilometer per liter. For car air conditioning, the top 3 tips are also given here, that you should use your car air conditioning regularly, otherwise moisture can build up in the air conditioning pipes and blown vents, producing an ideal breeding ground for bacteria, fungi and mold, resulting in car smelling strongly of mold. So they are saying that the tips is that use your car air conditioner regularly, because if there is no uses of AC, then that may cause the problem of bacteria, fungi and mold that may smell bad inside the car, and that is also not good for health. And to help prevent future air conditioning car repairs, just use your car air conditioner at least every 14 days. This helps minimize any expensive car air conditioning. Let only professional air conditioner specialist service or regas your car air conditioning system. So now we have completed this chapter. Now next look at the questions. Okay, now see that the object of air conditioning a car is to make the passenger compartment comfortable by controlling the inside temperature and pressure, temperature and humidity and pressure, temperature, humidity and pressure. So its answer is B, temperature and humidity. In air conditioning process, we just generally maintain the temperature and humidity. Temperature should be around 21 to 25 degrees Celsius, and humidity for India, it should be around 50%. So this is a condition. Now next is, which one of the following electrical component of air conditioner allows a full range of blower speed from full, fast to slow? A, rheostat, B, thermostat, C, magnetic clutch, D, fuse. So its correct answer is rheostat, that maintains the blower speed in car air conditioning. The thermostat maintains the temperature inside the car, magnetic clutch engages and disengages the compressor, and fuse is, you know what is the use of fuse. Now next is, which one of the following electrical components of car air conditioner allowed to engage and disengage the compressor from the thermostat? A, rheostat, thermostat, magnetic clutch, fuse. So its option is, so correct answer is C, magnetic clutch. Okay. Okay, the operation of a split air conditioner produces a high noise, medium noise, low noise, no noise. So as the compressor is moved outside the room, so there is no noise, so option D is correct. Second is, a split air conditioner unit should be installed at dark place, direct sunlight area, free area is air is area, D, enclosed room. So option D is correct, it is installed in enclosed room. Which one of the complaints against use of air conditioner is that A, it is more expensive, it is difficult to install, it is difficult to maintain, it is noisy. So it is not that much expensive, it is not difficult to install, it is not difficult to maintain. So answer is D, it is noisy, because all the units, compressor, condenser and everything are inside the one single box, one single unit, so that makes noise. So option D is correct. Which one of the following is not a part of outside unit of split air conditioner? Evaporator coil. Outside unit of split air conditioner, so evaporator coil. Of course, the evaporator coil is always inside unit, so option A is correct. And these all are the outside unit.